Okay, good afternoon boys. As you saw in the last tutorial, we had Mr. Minto doing a wonderful job on hanging out the washing. So in life, if you start a job, you see it through to its end. It actually has to get from the line to the table. And if you are 100% in completing the job, it's now about how to fold it to get it into your drawers. So from here, I've got the beautiful Mrs. Bradshaw who's going to take us through a tutorial about how to fold clothes. Thanks, Sue.
Hello boys, so I've got the job of sorting Mr. Williams's washing and Mr. Minto's, so I'm just going to give you a few tips, because if you leave your clothes like this and then you just put them straight on your body, then they end up looking just like this, all creased. So we've got a really good dress shirt. This is a dress shirt. So we're going to put this out here on the table. We lay it face down, fold a sleeve in, fold another sleeve in, we're going to tuck it over. Tuck it over. My mother taught me this, boys. Up like this, and then over like that.
It's like being in a shop.
It is. Some people fold the collar, some people don't, but that just reduces the amount of crease you're going to have when you put your gear in your cupboards or in your ports.
If I went to Myers, that's exactly what I'd see.
Yeah, yeah.
One.
This is a sleeveless one and a short sleeve, so these are really easy. You're just going to go grab, fold them in half, sleeve to sleeve, over like that and over like that. And here's a Brendan shirt. Same thing again, boys. It's the long sleeve shirt, but it's a shorter sleeve. You can go like that, because I'm pretty sure that's how you boys will do it. Over like that and over like that. But if you've got coat hangers, you need to hang them up, boys, to reduce creases. Shorts, they're easy. Half and half again. Another t-shirt. Same thing, boys, it's a bullseye shirt, over, half again. So you could, it doesn't take long, boys, honestly. Here's your towels. We're just going to fold it half and half again, roll them up in the cupboard. Now, if we were going to travel, you boys who travel a little bit with your ports and that, sometimes it's really easy just to actually roll your clothes. You can fit way more in your ports, boys, if you actually roll your clothes. Like that, and I've got some socks. They're super easy, but I noticed this pair's actually got a hole in the bottom, so chase up Mr. Doyle to do some darning with his needle and thread. No, super easy. See how more neat and tidy and organised, boys, they are, as against just being left in the basket in a scrunchy mess.
So thanks, Mrs. Bradshaw. So my challenge to you boys at home, I'm going to challenge you to, now that you've had a few tutorials, I want you to surprise your family. I want you to get their dirty clothes, I want you to put it in the washing machine, hang them up and fold them, and make sure you get it done before they come home. And just see the look on their faces, because I'm sure they'll be really appreciative of the fact that you've gone out of your way to make their life easier and show some appreciation for all the wonderful things they do for you. Thanks very much.